Chapter 3: Humans or Nature? Who's really behind the climate change? Now that we have seen how climate change is affecting our lives, the big question is who's responsible? Is it humans or is nature also playing a role? Let's break this down. Climate change is driven by two types of forces: natural and human made. Natural drivers include volcanoes, solar flares, and ocean cycles like El Nino and La Nina. Human-induced factors mainly come from greenhouse gases released by burning fossil fuels, cutting forests, and large-scale industrial activity. Let's look at both the contributors, starting with the natural ones. Volcanoes release aerosols that cool the earth. Solar cycles create minor shifts. El Nino and La Nina disrupt weather worldwide. Here's what stands out. Nature changes slowly, but today's fast-rising temperatures point straight to us. Burning fossil fuels and raising greenhouse gases is heating the planet at an unnatural pace. Take a look at this chart. For thousands of years, CO2 levels barely moved. Nature kept things in balance. But after 1950s, boom, sharp spike. Nature never dumped 40 billion tons of CO2 into air in a year, but humans do, from coal, oil, cars, and cutting down forests. In fact, scientists estimate that over 95% of CO2 rise since 1950 is due to human activities and not natural ones.